Hey, this is Steve Baumgartner. Today, I decided to get off my fat ass and get out and do something. So, being the planner I am, I didn't get out here until 2 o'clock at Horseshoe in Grapevine. First time ever. Never been here, never rode it, never hiked it. Looked at the topographical map, but don't know anything about it other than go the opposite direction and follow the signs. So what could go wrong? But anyway, I'm trying to get my exercise on and get rid of my B&B. I did a little homework and I was told to follow the hiking signs. So I'm going to do that to the best of my effort. So actually, I have to say, it's been very nice so far. Shaded, it's cool. It's actually pretty nice. Good choice on Baumgartner's decision making. All right, I don't feel so bad now. I see everybody going every which way. Bicycles going the wrong way, hikers going the wrong way. I think I'm in good company. So far, I've been able to follow the rules according to the way they've been directed. So, kicking ass. All right, so far everybody's been really cool, friendly. I think I got one following me that might be a little bit too friendly, but I think I can lose them. All right, I'm seeing some pretty girls on the trail. That makes this effort worthwhile. But that's all it is looking. So I just came to the end of the trail, and it's supposed to be 5 miles. That was the fastest 5 miles ever. I expected a lot more. So I'm gonna venture out even further and just do the concrete trail. See how that rolls for me. I just feel like I did something wrong. I hiked 5 miles and I didn't even break a sweat. It's 80-something degrees out. I don't get it. I must have messed up. It felt like only a little bit. I'm dazed and confused. Oh well. Okay, so clearly I need to get a map because I only did one little piece of it. That's right over about 18, 17 and 2-ish. So somehow I missed a turn and I only did like 1/8 of the whole thing. Just ran across some folks eating wild blackberries along the trail. I asked them, are they safe to eat? And they said, so far. Do I want any? I said no, but I'll hang around just a little bit to see how it works out. So this is pretty cool. People are doing things. Hey, what's up? Except I think some people don't know how to talk. But anyway, these guys are out here doing the floaty things. These guys over here are doing the boat thing. And this guy over here is working on his boat thing. And we got a canoe. So this is pretty freaking cool. Should have done this a long time ago. And here comes the riders, the speedsters. Oh, just saw the berry eaters. They're not dead yet. So I guess the berries might have been okay. But I'm still not gonna eat them. I think I'll hold off for 24 hours and see if there's anybody died on the trail of poisoning. So just don't trust that kind of stuff. Anywho, found a good part of the trail right here by the lake. It's pretty cool. So far I've been walking the right direction. Nobody's yelled at me. I think I'm awesome. Besides just walking the trail. Now these things are kind of hard to miss. These little pipes going over, good idea. But man, I think I can see these at nighttime. All right, so this is pretty cool. Got little picnic areas. 1, 2, and whatever. That's pretty cool. Didn't know this. This looks like this one's been a little bit flooded. And got another one over there in the jungle. That's pretty cool. Well, I've come to a conclusion that I can definitely handle the downhills. However, the uphills are going to present a challenge. I can probably do some of them, but I think I'm going to be walking because I just don't have that power in my hips at the moment. But I can, now that I found the correct trail and 5 miles, I was actually feeling like 5 miles. I think I'm actually gonna do okay. And everybody's having fun. What the hell? up with that? Everybody's having fun, laughing, joy. What the heck? This would be a perfect spot for what's his name? Lauren's yoga where you're at. He could be at the end of this little pier thing and doing his yoga thing out here on the end. Now I'm not sure what these folks are doing. This looks like a family fishing outfit. Everybody getting hot. There's like 6 people in that boat. Amazing. Anywho, really nice day today. Nice folks. Doing really cool. So, on down the road we go. To be my surprise, I ran across 15 Orientals touring with cameras and hats, just like you'd see walking around in Rome or Paris. They're walking the wrong way on the trail, but they were so happy I couldn't say anything to them because 1, it's not my job, yay, and 2, I didn't really care, and 3, they were just having fun. So kudos to them, but I did not expect to see them out on a trail. Shows what I know. Well, I just met Dick and Jane on the road. I asked Dick if this was the trailhead. He said they're all trails. Thanks for that. And Jane was pretty nice. Okay, this dude, he is in the outfit. Looks like a professional racer, right? And he's kicking ass down this trail. And about 10 feet later, I hear like a flat tire, and a bell ring. He endoed. That's what I'm afraid of doing. I've never done it, but I've always been afraid of that. He, inside I'm laughing, but I said, hey, are you okay? He said, yeah, I'm kinda. There isn't any blood spurting, no broken bones, so he's good. See down the trail, Jack. Got a well-lit sign here. What the hell does it mean? I came from that direction, and there's a trail that way, and there's a trail that way. But this thing says, go into the bush. What the? Here's Horseshoe Bridge. That's pretty cool. Got little horseshoes in the bridge. Pretty cool. All right, so I'm officially kind of tired. I'm on my way back. I think I'm most of the way. If I didn't have to do some of the loops 3 times, I'd have had better time. But be that as it may, just added a little extra mileage. And also, I asked for help, sorta, and I found somebody who's willing to help, really nice person, but had no regard for the trail etiquette. So she liked to go the wrong way. Bikes one way, walkers the other way, or joggers, whatever the case might be. Super nice gal, but just had no regard for trail etiquette. So I let her drop me off, and then I figured it out on my own. Kind of like that way better. Well, I made it. Back to the trailhead. Sore feet, but other than that, I'm doing great. So, gotta get my shoes fixed. It was a really nice day. Enjoyed the trail tremendously. Everybody was nice. Didn't get run over. I didn't crash and burn. So, gonna head back to the truck and get some beverages.